Okay, so I have a major subject to talk about, which is bullies. Um, I've been bullied in my life. I get bullied now. I'm I used to bully people, but now that I've realized everyone's special in their own way. Like, no matter how big they are, no matter how skinny they are, anything, no matter if they don't have straight teeth. Like, don't bully someone just to make you feel better. Everyone's beautiful in their own way. Like, I don't understand the point of bullying. So many kids kill themselves because of bullies. And I just want to get the message out there that it stops. I don't really understand why kids have to bully each other. Like, maybe because you're insecure of yourself doesn't mean you have to make somebody else insecure of themselves. Maybe somebody thinks that they're pretty and they know they are, but then you go and call them ugly. They're gonna not think that they're pretty anymore. They're gonna call themselves ugly and be like, oh yeah, I'm so ugly. No, you're beautiful. And as long as you know that in your heart, believe it. Don't let other people try to put you down, basically. Like, I don't let people put me down anymore. I used to get bullied all the time at school. I used to be scared to go to school. Last year was really bad. Like, I would come home crying because of kids. And I just don't like bullies. Like, just stop. There's no point in bullying somebody to make yourself feel good. Like, no. Well, if you're getting bullied, speak up. Tell a teacher, tell an adult, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your aunt, your uncle, anyone, your grandma, your grandpa, your cousin. Like, tell anyone you feel safe. Go to a guidance counselor. Anyone you feel safe. Like, telling stuff to. I've done that many times and it's helped me. So, just talk to somebody about it and just stop the bullying. I mean, like, if you're pretty and you know it, that's good. Have self-confidence. Don't let other people bring you down. So, stop the bullying.